If you've lost access to your old WhatsApp number and don't have the SIM card anymore, don't worry. There is a way to recover your account. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple new method that actually works, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to contact WhatsApp and get your account back. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. From there, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Help, then choose Help and Feedback. This will take you to the Help Center. Inside the Help Center, you'll see multiple categories. Scroll down until you find Accounts and Account Bans and open it. Now tap on Accounts, and at the very bottom right corner, you'll see an option that says Contact Us. Here's where the real process begins. In the message box, clearly describe your issue. You can type something like, I want to recover my old WhatsApp account, but I no longer have access to the SIM card. Once you send it, WhatsApp will automatically generate a support ticket for you. After that, a WhatsApp support agent will contact you directly through the app or email. They'll verify your details, guide you step by step, and help you recover your old account without needing the SIM card you lost. And that's all you need to do. It's quick, it's simple, and it's the most reliable way to restore an old WhatsApp account when the number is no longer active. If this tutorial helped you out, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.